So during this project, we are working on a gym website to let users to join the membership of our gym, and also have a class timetable that let users to know what class we have during what time, so they can join the class anytime or the time they want to. And also we let them know the trainers we have to know basically what exercise we basically were focusing on. And also we have a online shop to let the users to buy or purchase the stuff online if they don't have the gear, to make it easier for them. And we move on to the Trello board we have. So at the beginning, we create all the user stories onto our product backlog, and then after that we move the stories we think we are going to do into the Spring 1 product backlog, and we assign each member to each user story to avoid that we are doing the duplicate jobs. And when we are doing the user stories, we move the user story into in development. And once the member done that user story, we will move to the testing part. And also a different member will do the testing. And once the testing is done and all passed, and we tick on the acceptance test, then we move to the Spring 1 done. Okay, for our Spring 1 goal, we're basically focusing on the basic structure of the website, and you can see most of things are relate to the structures because we need to make sure all the structure are working fine on the website before we adding the functions. Okay, and here is the demonstration of our website. We have a different tabs, so user can click on the tabs that they are interested. And what my part is, I'm finding the pictures and add them and creating a gallery so they can see what we have, so make it more interesting to the customer. We need to make sure that when the users come to our website, they will be attracted. So I think the first view of the user is most important. And also I have done a blog which the customer or members can see the news or upcoming event, so they know what's happening in our gym. And also when you click on the news, there will be more detail, and they can also share on Twitter or Facebook. And here is the comments. So user can leave the comment on there, but we haven't finished that part yet. We will leave that to the next sprint. Once the user add a comments, so people will see what they are like this. This is great, and yeah, it's definitely by one of our member. And also the contact. I have add a map, so user can know where we are in Auckland, and also leave us a message that asks all the inquiries they have, like join the membership or whatever. The admin will receive the message once it's uploaded, and also the opening hours.
I have done about the shopping cart, and it's how to add the products we wish to the purchase cart, how to remove it, how to add more, and empty the cart. And also I'm working on the information about our class in the gym, and it's also I also work with the sign firm, so we will look through our website.
Our product on the information like the picture, the name, the price, it also comes from the database. And when I want to see more detail,
so when I want to add to cart, and I want to add another product, and I want to empty this, so it's empty now. Now I add another products. now I can remove some. And if I wish to check out, I can click here, but it's just a form, and I will work with how to purchase this product later in the next spring.
Another thing is the information in the class is our class, and all information also have in database, like we have the table name trainer, and it's more detail of the class here. And I also add ID for each tab, and when we click to another, it will jump to exactly what we want. And the final one is the sign in form, sorry.
And when we sign in successfully, it will say hi, and the menu also change to the hi our name. And here we can change the password. It's my own password from 1 to 6, and the new one is 1 to 3. And when it's changed, and when we change, it will jump to the profiles.
Go.
Hi, so in this sprint one I have done like the save function. So basically the save function will have a form, and then the user will input the values, and this function will check that whether this input is appropriate or not. So if it's appropriate, the input will pass into our database, and the user can use that username to log in into the website. And moreover, I also did the trainer list, so the user can know who is available trainer in the gym. And the next one is the timetable, and so create a timetable for the user so that it's easier for them to tracking the class available. So I will demonstrate it right now. So now I'm gonna talk about the register function. So basically, in the first time they log into the website, it will be display the same function because they not have an account. And then in the function they will have a register button so that they can direct to the same page. So in the same page, I have like the function to check that whether this input is valid or not. So if for example, if they did not input anything, it will display the error. And the first name must be more than 2 characters. If they just only input once, it will have the error like this. And if the appropriate format could be Raymond, and the error will disappear. The same goes to the last name. And the username must be not in the database. If it in the database, it will display the error like not available. So this name is already in the database, so the user cannot be able to save by this one. And also the register button is blocked this one, so that they cannot be able to make sure that they cannot be able to register. I have to choose a different name like Raymond 95, so it's enable the register button again. The same goes to the email. It have the format for the email, and the user must match is like they cannot be able to input the special character. And you can see here, so they could. This one is more appropriate, so the error will disappear. And also the password must be more than 5 characters. If it's just 3, it will display the error. And now I can be able to register. And it will have a notification like successful. And the next one I do is the trainer. So in the trainer tab, in the trainer menu, we have the class, and you can see here quite cool thing. So whenever you can choose which class you want to see like this, and it will appear for you. And here the trainer list, which I display in the slider. So you can see all of this information is taken out from the database. Last one we talk is the responsive the website. So you can see here, nice soft. This is the full screen of the laptop, and when the different screen like the phone, it will have be like this. You can see here the picture will be in change. and you can still see it. See, yep, this one called responsive. And you can view it in different style screen in the phone. And here the menu. When I close it like this, we have a tab menu for the mobile screen. So it make the user more easier to interact with the website.
During the development, there's no big issue other than the time. I will show you the burn chart that we have. So you can see from the burn chart, everything goes smoothly after this point, and then we suddenly goes back up again. That's because we decide to changing our development tool from WordPress to text editor, because we feel that text editor is more controllable, like everything under our hand, and we are afraid that later on the functions may not be handled properly by WordPress. So we decide to do everything again by using text editor, and everything goes smoothly after, well, to the end. Okay, so for the next sprint, we are going to focusing on to improve the UI of the website and also adding more function that we haven't been done during sprint 1, because the time is really limited for us during the last sprint. And I'm basically will be focusing on the UI to make the website more prettier, and also I will be adding the will fix the function on the comment that users can adding comments onto our news to share the feelings. And also Quinn will be,
Yeah, I will improve the product space. Like I will add more products to the page and database, and I also want the membership can leave the review for each product, so I have to improve it. Another things I also have to improve the sign-in form and the profile page. Raymond will talk. Raymond will improve the payment.
So in the next spring, I'm gonna improve the payment system. We did not do anything on the payment, so we try to make it work more properly. And also I will create the admin page with control everything that involved to the website, like add more, so the admin can add more posts and user can be able even to remove the user out of the database. So this is the thing that I will gonna do in the next phase. And also that in the admin page it will have like how many order that the gym have in the day, like stuff like that, so that the admin can know everything that happened on the website. So basically the thing I will do in the next phase.
okay, that's pretty much it for the next sprint.